Hi everyone! Today we are going to talk about something that goes beyond the physical and mental aspect and who we are, the spiritual self.
That's right. The spiritual self is the part of us that connect to something greater. It could be our purpose, our values, or even our relationship with God, nature, or the universe. It's what we give our life meaning and direction.
Exactly. You can think of it as the inner voice that guides you when you're confused or struggling. It's what's helped you find inner peace and balance when life gets difficult.
And the spiritual self is not just about religion. It can be also about mindfulness, gratitude, and compassion. It's about being aware of who we are and how we connect with others.
For example, when we take time to reflect, pray, or meditate, we nourish our spiritual self. Even helping others or appreciating the beauty of life can strengthen it.
And the spiritual self is not just about religion. It can be also about mindfulness, gratitude, and compassion. It's about being awareness who we are and how we connect with others.
So, nurturing our spiritual self isn't something we do once. It's a lifelong journey of understanding ourselves in the world around us.
And when our spiritual self is strong, we feel more grounded, peaceful, and connected, not just others, but to our future purpose in life.
That's the essence of the spiritual self, finding harmony within and around us.
Thank you for watching, and we hope this inspires you to take care of your spiritual self every day.